paved road, then make a U-turn.
Okay, we're just arriving at Eden Park.
The Garmin is confused.
Totally confused.
When possible, make a U-turn, then take the first left.
Hi, I'm Dave, and this is DG Overlanding. There we are, Eden Park. So this is the reception area, also exceptionally neat, tidy. Right, so each of the sites has a private ablution, which is very nice. There's a wash up outside, and inside there's a shower, toilet, wash hand basin. We're camping just on the side. Right, so here's the inside of the ablution. There's the shower, which is very good. Toilet and a wash hand basin on this side. So it's all very good. There's a mirror, the wash up for the dishes, nice hot and cold water, and some lovely shelves on the side. They have two plugs, so you can have an ordinary plug like you have at home, the 3-pin, and there's also one for the caravan type blue pin plug. So depending on what you have, you can plug anything in there. It's lovely and shady. There is some grass, a lot of grass in actual fact. The sites also have brick paving, so there's brick paving on all the sites. There's one or two that are just grass, but most of them are brick paving. It's nice that the bricks are a bit far apart so you can get your pegs through them. So here's some of the roads around the park. I must say it's very, very neat, very tidy. This morning they wouldn't let us come on our site until they had swept it to get all the leaves off. And these ones also have a little river in the front of the site, which is very nice. Right, so there's the river. It's lovely and quiet. Very nice swimming pool. Very clean. They were cleaning that this morning as well. It really is nice. There's a little section here for children. Then there's the big pool. Lovely trees. Lots of shade. Lots of grass. Very, very nice. Right, so here's the Bushveld camp, Bosveld camp. I don't quite know why it's called that, because there's private ablutions, paved areas. Maybe it's just a little bit more in the bush than the other side of the camp, but it's still very nice. So this is just walking into the Bushveld camp. There's one of the private ablutions again, together with the paved area. But there's more paved areas. Private ablutions has its own like kiddies play area. So each site does have a braai. A very nice braai. So you can see how big these sites are. This is the swimming pool that's in the bush camp. So it has its own pool and a little kiddies area as well. There is Wi-Fi, there's free Wi-Fi. So there's our trailer, private ablutions on the paving, grass, and the braai over here. Really, really good. Hi, I'm Dave, and this is DG Overlanding. Hi, I'm Dave, and this is DG Overlanding. Jabula Bush Camp. The camp is unfenced, no electricity, private ablutions. Right, Jabula Bush Camp. King Big 5 Game Reserve. Magnificent ablutions. Hot water. Really, really good. We enjoyed our time here. Right, Jabula Bush Camp. We have a site here. There's no electricity, as I said, so I have a solar panel up. So there you'll see our solar panel. Each site is a number. We're in number 3. A braai pit, which is very nice. It has a braai, and it has a barrel that you put over the fire at night when you want to go to bed if it's still burning, which is a good, very, very good idea in actual fact. Private ablutions. So these are the ablutions. There is a solar panel on the roof, and that provides lighting in the evening. There's a light outside in the wash area and inside. There is a reed fence around the ablution. Rubbish bin, and then around the back is the bin where you put your ash. So there's a wash up area, hot and cold water, hot water provided by gas, so that we have no problem with the gas. The water is really, really hot. It's lovely. Place to hang your dishcloths, and the sink. There is also an outside shower. There is an inside one, but there's an outside one as well, which is really good. I had a shower here this morning. Hot water. So there's the hot and cold pipes. There's the shower head in the tree. Drains out really nicely. There's no problem with the drain. Over there. Inside to the ablution facilities. There's the basin. Hot and cold water again. To do your teeth. There's a place you can look at yourself. Right, so there's a towel rail. No hassles there. Toilet paper. Again, hot and cold water. It's also open, so you can look outside while you're showering. This side is closed, which is good. Right, and there's the door. And this is the battery, the solar panel on the roof I spoke about earlier. This is the battery powering the lights that are in this side of the ablution, and also the wash up outside. I think they have 5 sites here. They also have some safari tents. Can't walk around because it's unfenced, and they are big 5. But this is just the road that goes out. So on this side here you will see number 4. And there we are, leaving. There's the gate just closing. They have a nice garden here. And this goes down to the dam. Hi, I'm Dave. This is DG Overlanding. If you're enjoying our videos, why don't you subscribe to our channel on YouTube? That is DG Overlanding on YouTube, and that's exactly where you are at the moment if you're watching this. Just hit the subscribe button. Thank you.